Hi, this is Hope and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make the single crochet stitch. To begin, you will need yarn and the correct size hook, which it is a 5mm hook in this case. Unwind some yarn and make a slip knot. Next, we will be making a chain of 7. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, take your hook and put it into that loop with the second chain from the hook. So basically it would be the 6th chain that you did. And place your hook right into this first loop. Yarn over or hook under, pull your hook through, yarn over, and pull through both of those loops. And that makes your first single crochet chain. Now the reason why I went into the second chain from the hook is because we needed a lift to go into the next row. So that very first chain that was right by the hook was that lift. And I will show you that later on when we're going to be making another row. So continue on making single crochets by putting your hook into the next chain. Pull up, yarn over, and pull through both. Put your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through both loops. Again. Again. So now we finished our first row of single crochets and we should have 6 single crochets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to make another row, we're going to make that lift, but there's no chains left. So we're going to chain 1. We're going to flip. And now we're going to make a single crochet into that same stitch. The very last one that we made from the previous row, which is the first one now. We're going to put our hook in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through both. And here we have the very first chain in our second row. Now we're going to go into the next stitch, put your hook through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through both loops. When you're putting your hook in to your stitch, make sure you are going all the way through. So you will have this sort of V right here. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. Now the last stitch in the second row is actually going to be kind of hard to make because of that first row. You're going to have to make sure to find that V. To put your hook through. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through both loops. And there we have our second row of single crochets. To make another row, chain 1 and turn your work. Put your hook through the very first chain and make your first single crochet. And so the last single crochet is going to be right in here. And it is now a lot easier to find. So now we made 3 rows of single crochets, and let's make 3 more rows to make a square. So I will do it together with you, slowly. Alright, so now we have 4 rows. Onto the 5th, chain 1, turn the work, single crochet into the first stitch, and continue making a single crochet into each stitch across. And for our last row, chain 1, turn, single crochet into the first stitch and into the last 5. So now we basically made a 6 by 6 square. So I'm going to show you how to tie off. Pretend you're making a chain 1, So basically do one. But then snip off your yarn. Take your hook and just pull that loop out. And take this yarn and tighten it. And that's going to tie it right here and secure it. So here we have basically 6 chains across and then 6 up. And here you have your single crochet square. Continue to practice with longer chains, more rows, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one where I will show you how to make the half double crochet stitch. Thanks for watching. Bye.